Hi my friend, first of all congrats on your decision to take advantage of the DAISY project. In this video I'm going to take you by the hand and walk you step by step through everything you need to know to get signed up and get set up and get your money working for you inside of this incredible revolutionary project. So the very first thing you need to do is make a choice, make a decision as to what level you want to contribute to the crowdfund. And this table right here is going to help you do that. Along the left hand side, you are probably aware by now there are 10 tiers. They start at $100 and they double. You can see 200, 400, 800, 1600 and so on. Then the second column in from the left is going to help you hone in on and get a clear picture of exactly how much funds you need to have prepared to come in at that level. It's the cumulative total of each of the tiers. So for example, if you look at the third one down, you'll see 700. That's the 400 plus the 200 plus the $100 tier combined. Let's say you wanted to come in at tier 7 and purchase the first 7 tiers. You can see that will be a total of $12,700. A good idea is to leave yourself a bit of wiggle room to absorb transaction fees, gas fees, and so on. So in that example, you might want to prepare $13,000. So now that you know how much money you need to prepare, we can proceed to the next step. And that step is to download the TronLink app. TronLink is a decentralized wallet that is your way of interacting and interfacing with Tron smart contracts on the Tron blockchain. It is proven to be compatible with the DAISY decentralized project, and that is why we are choosing this app. Once you've downloaded and installed TronLink, go inside the app, create your account. You'll be prompted to create a password and you'll be given a 12-word seed phrase. Write that seed phrase and your password offline in a notebook and keep it in a safe place. That seed phrase will be used in the future if you ever need to recover your wallet or import your wallet. Now that you've downloaded and installed the TronLink app, the next step is to get our hands on the necessary amount of USDT to make our purchases of our tiers. USDT is the cryptocurrency token that we're going to use to purchase. It's how we're going to get paid out through the matrix and through our rewards in the trading fund. So why USDT? The T stands for Tether. It's basically tied to the value of the United States dollar. It stabilizes its values so that it's not jumping around the place and fluctuating while we're attempting to make our purchases. But we're after the Tron version of USDT. So you'll see ERC20, which is related to the Ethereum blockchain. You'll see Omni, but what we're focused on, what we're looking for is USDT Tron, and TronLink is fully supportive of the TRC20 version. So from inside of your TronLink wallet, you will be using the Tron version of USDT to purchase each of your tiers in DAISY. Each tier that you purchase has a small transaction fee, sometimes called a gas fee. That fee is paid in Tron, in TRX. After all, you're interacting with smart contracts on the Tron blockchain. That money is instantly and automatically divided into DAISY Fund and DAISY Crowd to be sent into the corporate crypto exchanges to be traded by Indotex AI and separated into the matrix to pay whoever shared DAISY with you and to reward them. Anytime that you choose to withdraw your trading profits from the Indotech Trading Fund, or any time that you earn rewards through DAISY Crowd from spillover or from referrals, those payments are paid to you instantly through the Tron version of USDT and deposited automatically into your TronLink wallet. Again, each of those transfers have a small gas fee, a small transaction fee that happens in Tron. So as you're starting to realize, Tron is the electrical fuel that drives the movement of funds through the DAISY smart contracts on the Tron blockchain. So essentially, there's two currencies, cryptocurrencies in operation here. There's Tron, which is that fuel that's required for each and every transaction, and then there's Tron USDT, the TRC20 version, which is how you make contributions and how you get rewarded, so that the value of those contributions and the value of those rewards that you earn have a stabilized value that does not fluctuate. Right inside of the TronLink wallet, there's an inbuilt, simple to use feature that allows you to swap directly from Tron into Tron USDT with just a couple of clicks. And each of these swaps again has a small transaction fee that is paid in Tron. So everything you do, whether you're swapping, whether you're purchasing tiers, whether you're earning rewards, they all require a small amount of Tron. Therefore, doesn't it make sense to accomplish two things at once and kill two birds with one stone by simply focusing on getting sufficient Tron, TRX, into your TronLink wallet, enough to cover your transaction fees and enough for purchasing your tiers, and simply use the swap feature to swap over the amount you need to purchase your tiers. And that's what's going to be the focus of the remainder of this video. I'm going to show you multiple ways of going about getting the relevant amount of Tron. Tron is more easily come by, it's more easy to find and get your hands on than the Tron version of USDT. As you're going to see in some upcoming slides, I'll show you all the crypto exchanges that are fully supportive of Tron and the ones that are supportive of the TRC20 version of USDT. So you're going to be seeing how to use an app called Clever to purchase Tron with the card. It's an app that's very similar to TronLink. You're going to see how to use a crypto exchange. We'll be using Binance as an example to do bank wire transfers, to do card transfers, and to swap currencies that you may, cryptocurrencies that you may already have, and get it into Tron, send it to your TronLink wallet, and then make the swap. And you may be watching this and you already own other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. You can absolutely send those into your TronLink wallet and then swap what you need over to USDT. But keep in mind, that swap in and of itself requires Tron. It requires TRX energy in order to perform that swap. Therefore, you need to activate your wallet initially with at least some Tron. So if your crypto exchange supports Tron and you can get from the cryptocurrencies you have over to Tron and send some of that in here, you're going to need to do that. Otherwise, use one of the other methods that I'm about to show you to get your hands on Tron. So as a rule of thumb, send 100 Tron extra for each tier that you plan to purchase. That will comfortably cover the transaction fees that are required and any swap fees. Your tiers are purchased in USDT Tron. Just to reiterate, TRC20 is simply the token standard on the Tron network. And just as a side note, something that simplifies things, your Tron address is the exact same as your USDT address inside of TronLink. They're both sent on the Tron blockchain, and your TronLink wallet's going to detect whether it's Tron or USDT. So now that you have a visual understanding, a clear image in your mind of what the entire process looks like, you've just put yourself ahead of 99.9% of people joining Daisy, and you now understand why we're going to come through Tron on our way to USDT to simplify things. So in this video, you're going to see how to get Tron with the app called Clever. As mentioned, you're going to see how to use a crypto exchange, in this case Binance, and you're going to see then exactly how to swap it inside of the TronLink app over to USDT, leaving behind the necessary amount of Tron to cover your transaction fees. So the first method, let's start with what's perhaps the simplest and quickest way of purchasing Tron TRX with either a debit or credit card, and that's by using the Clever wallet. Very similar app to TronLink, except it has an inbuilt feature of being able to do card purchases to purchase cryptocurrency. So visit the Google Play Store, the App Store, search for Clever Wallet, download, install it. You're going to be prompted to create a password and given a 12-word seed phrase, same as TronLink. Again, save that offline. Inside the app has a lot of similarities to TronLink. If you navigate to this portfolio homepage here by tapping on this icon and then scroll on down until you see TRX, open that up. Then you'll see icons here. Scroll all the way to the right and you'll see buy right there. Tap on buy, and here you enter in the USD dollar amount, the amount of Tron that you want to purchase. So again, earlier in this video you've calculated what that number is, so enter that amount. It's going to be sent to your main TRX wallet in here. Proceed to checkout. Clever is able to provide this service through an institutional partnership with Simplex, which is a licensed and regulated payment processing solution that is trusted by over 250 crypto exchanges and decentralized apps like Clever, so you can trust that this is fully secure. So fill in the necessary information, agree to the terms, click next. Once your card payment has been successfully processed, scroll down, open up TRX. You should see an icon right here, a little send icon, tap on that. Then up along the top here, you're going to select USD. You can hit 100% to send the entire amount, or you can enter a value. Click on next, and right here in the to address that you're sending to, go back out to Tron link, open it up, tap on TRX, and then open up receive. Copy this address, go back into Clever, and paste that address right there. Then you're going to hit send. Another very reliable and trustworthy option for purchasing Tron directly with a credit or debit card is paybis.com, P-A-Y-B-I-S. These guys are 7 years in the business. There's a short verification process, but their live support staff will literally approve you within 5 to 10 minutes. It's the quickest verification you're ever going to see. And the good thing is your first transaction is going to come without any fees. So you would simply come along here, select credit or debit card. You can see there are other options there as well. Select the currency of your card, and then you're obviously going to be purchasing Tron. Right on their homepage, if you scroll down towards the bottom, you're going to see a step-by-step guide for buying crypto here. It's literally laid out for you step by step. And obviously you're going to be sending the Tron to your Tron wallet address in Tron link. So that's the address you would obviously be sending the Tron to. This, what you're looking at here, is the browser extension for Tron link. So if Simplex, the payment processor inside of Clever, doesn't like your card for whatever reason, this is another option, or it might be the option you want to start with. In this next example, you're going to see how to use a cryptocurrency exchange to get your hands on Tron. If you already own certain cryptocurrencies, you can use the crypto exchange to trade and swap it for Tron that you then send to your TronLink wallet. You can also use one of their many deposit options to get traditional fiat currency in there through bank wire or through card deposit, and then convert to Tron and send. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges that support TRX. Tron here is a huge list of them. You can have a scan through this list if you already have a crypto exchange, see if yours is on there. There are also many crypto exchanges that support the Tron version of USDT. You can see those here. So for this example, we are going to use Binance, which is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, one of the most trusted. Here we are on Binance.com, a very popular cryptocurrency exchange. Like all crypto exchanges, you would go through the process of creating and verifying your account. As you can see up here under Buy Crypto, you can do bank deposits, you can do direct purchases of cryptocurrency using a credit and debit card. If you're planning to come in at those higher tiers in Daisy, a bank deposit may be your preferred option. You would then come over to trade. Once that money is inside Binance, you would click on Classic. Now before you faint and pass out, take a deep breath, relax. You don't need 99.99% of what you see on this screen. Keep it simple. I'm going to tap BTC. Let's run through an example. Let's say you did a card deposit and purchased BTC, Bitcoin directly. You would simply do a search here for TRX, and you're going to find the TRX/BTC pair. Click on that. It should populate up here. Confirm that you see it up here, then scroll down, ignore everything else, stay under spot, click market, and you're going to be buying TRX. In your case, you would probably be wanting to convert 100% of the Bitcoin you just bought over to TRX. You would click on this and drag it all the way to the right for 100% swap. In this example, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to do 5%. Click buy, confirm the transaction, and instantly, look, you'll see the order filled. I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to go into my wallet, go to Fiat and Spot. This is where you see a full overview of all your cryptocurrencies, where you do deposits and withdrawals. If I scroll down, you're going to see I now have 1800 TRX. I would then click on withdraw. Right here you will see recipient's TRX address. Those of you that have been following along know what that is by now. Inside of Tron link you would tap on TRX, go down to receive, copy the collection address, get that over and enter it in here. Once you have entered that address, you should see a confirmation highlighted in green that says this address matches a Tron TRX network address. Make sure you see that, then scroll down, and as you know, the transfer network you're selecting is TRX20, and then go to enter the amount, hit submit. You will be asked to enter security verification codes, have it sent to your email and through the Google Authenticator app. Once you have retrieved those codes, hit submit and the withdrawal request is submitted. And here is the 1,799 Tron, remembering that there was a 1 Tron transaction fee. So congrats on making it this far. You're now ready to swap your Tron for USDT, remembering at this point to cover the cost of the energy required for transactions, for purchases and for swaps. So come up here where it says swap, tap on that. You're going to be going from TRX to USDT, tap instant swap. You'll see this screen pop up. You're going to confirm the transaction, and here's where you enter your Tron link password. I now see the balance in USDT, ready to be used to purchase your tiers in Daisy. The very last thing I'll share with you to make sure that we've all bases covered and you have no obstacles in your way to getting set up and started with Daisy. If you already have cryptocurrency in your crypto exchange but you're struggling to get your hands on Tron, maybe your crypto exchange doesn't support Tron, whatever the case may be, we have you covered, my friend. We can help you. So simply reach out to me on Telegram. My handle is BrenBlaze. You can find me if you go to facebook.com/BrenBlaze, or that's my number on WhatsApp. I'm making myself fully available. Reach out to me on one of those channels, send me a message and send me your Tron wallet address. Once more, repetition is the mother of learning. Tap on TRX, go to receive, copy that address and send it to me in a message and let me know that you're struggling to get those initial Tron that you need to activate your Tron Link wallet and get those transactions and swaps going. I'll send you 100 Tron, a few hundred Tron, so that you have the necessary Tron that you need to make those initial conversions and swaps. Once you have that initial Tron, you can then swap whatever you were able to get in here, whether it was Ethereum or Bitcoin, and you'll be able to go into swap and you'll have, as I said, the necessary Tron to go from, let's say, Bitcoin over to Tron to cover those transaction fees.